Hello everyone! I am Ma'am Cleo and ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano ang pag-extract ng square root ng quadratic equation. So ito po ay madali lang, kaya makinig lang mabuti. Okay. So may ilang paalala lang po ako sa inyo. When you are solving quadratic equation, palagi pong isa-isip na dapat ang quadratic equation ay laging naka-standard form. Kagaya nung in-explain ko kanina at ipinakita kong mga example. And then, every quadratic equation ay may dalawang solutions. At ang tawag po sa dalawang solutions na iyon is the root of the equation. And the solution set of quadratic equation can be checked in or by verifying that each different root makes the original equation a true statement. So, ayan po. So, simulan po natin dito. So, kunwari, or assuming that the middle portion of a stage is to be covered with a red carpet. The carpet is square with an area of 64 meters square. So, what is the length of the side of a carpet? So, ayan po. May simulan natin sa isang word problem. Paano ba natin may apply ang extracting the square root of quadratic equation dito? So, ang mga equations such as ito po dapat ay 121. Such as x squared is equal to 9, 16, and 121. Kung makapansin po natin, ang 9, 16, and 121, lahat yan ay perfect squares. Ibig sabihin ng perfect squares, so kapag kinuha po natin ang square root ng mga number niyan at minultiply sa sarili nila, then it will come out with this product. Yan. Anong gagawin natin dito? So, for the solution, let us represent the length of the side of the carpet as x. And since ang area po ng square, ang formula niya is a is equal to s square, or size of the square na double po natin. So, therefore, the length of the side of the carpet, x, is equal to 64. Ayun yung area niya, 64 meters squares. Para may represent natin yung problem. And para ma-solve po natin, we're going to extract the square roots of both sides. And so x squared, which is the missing side or missing length of the side of the carpet, is equal to its area. Yes. So na 64, and x squared is equal to the square root of 64. Bakit positive and negative? Kasi po, pag nakuha natin, we're going to extract the square root, ito na yung sinasabi kanina na magkakaroon tayo ng roots of, so isang positive and negative. Yung kanina. So, ayan, roots of the equation. Ang tawag doon. Ayan. So, balik tayo dito. So, positive and negative, square root of 64. And, the square root of 64 is equal to 8. Why positive and negative 8? We all know if we're going to extract the square root of 64, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, magkakaroon tayo ng two possible results or two possible roots. So, which is positive 8 and negative 8. So, therefore, the length of the other side of the carpet is 8 meters. So, ayan, another examples ulit tayo. So, extract natin yung square roots. First example is x squared minus 121 is equal to 0. So, paano natin yun extract yung square root ng quadratic equation na to? So, first and foremost, we are going to apply the addition property of equality. So, lagi po natin huwag kalilimutan. Why addition property of equality? So, we have negative 121. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, we need to balance our equation. So, the opposite sign of negative 121 is positive 121. So, kung ano po yung i-add natin sa left side, ganun din sa right side. So, ayan. So x squared minus 121 plus 121 is equal to, sa right side is 121. And then, x squared is equal to negative 121 plus 121. So, automatic magkaibang sign nito, kaya ang operation is subtract. That is already equal to 0. So, rewrite the equation. X squared is equal to 121. And, para makuha po natin ang square root, of course, ayan, pasok natin sa radical. So, x squared is equal to the square root of 121. We all know that 121 is a perfect square. So, ang square root po ng 121 is 11. But since we extract the square root, so we are expecting two possible results or possible roots. So, ang sagot po dito is x is equal to positive or negative 11. Or x is equal to positive 11 and x is equal to negative 11. Next example. So, 3x squared minus 27 is equal to 0. So, ganun po ulit, apply the addition property of equality. Why positive 27? Kasi, ang opposite sign po ni negative 27 is positive 27. So, to make your equation balance, kung ano po yung i-add natin sa left, ganun din sa right. So, negative 27 plus 27 is 0. We write the equation, 3x squared is equal to 27. Pero sa case na to, since ang meron tayong leading numerical coefficient na 3, lagi nyo pong tandaan, para ma-extract natin ng maayos ang square root, we are going to divide both sides. So, kung ano po yung leading numerical coefficient, yun po ang i-divide natin sa left and right. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, we have, and 27 divided by 3 is, alam naman natin na, 9. So, the equation will be x squared is equal to 9. And since ang 9 po is a perfect square, so x squared is equal to the square root of 9. So, the roots of the equation is x is equal to positive and negative 3. So, yun po ang roots of the equation. Next example, 5x squared is equal to 125 equals 0. So, we're going to apply the addition property of equality. Why addition property? Kasi po, negative 125 to. So, ang opposite niya is positive. Add natin left and right. Ayan. Para extract natin. So, we have 5x squared is equal to 125. And since may leading numerical coefficient tayo na 5, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, i-divide natin both sides by 5. Kasi, bakit 5? Kasi 5 yung leading. Ayan. 5 divided by 5, 125 divided by 5. So, it will become x squared is equal to 25. 25 is a perfect square. Ayan. And, the two possible roots where x is equal to positive and negative 5. Diba? Napakadali lang. Yan. And then, last. X squared is 5. Ngayon, isipin natin, is 15 a perfect square? Diba? Hindi. So, ngayon, kung gusto talaga natin makuha ang square root ng 15, then, of course, we're expecting na we are going to come up with a decimal. So, since hindi naman siya perfect square, so, ang gagawin na lang po natin is just find its square root or we're going to, square root ng 15 but no need for us to extract into square root kasi hindi naman po siya perfect square. So, therefore, the square root of 15 is, or the roots of square root of 15 is, it's either positive or negative square root of 15. Pero kung kukunin talaga natin ang value ng square root of 15, so nakadepende pa rin po yan sa inyo. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, ang result niyan ay decimal. So, try natin kuhanin ang square root of 15. So, ang value po niyan is 3.87. So, since hindi naman po kailangan, so the final answer or the final roots of square root of 15 is either positive or negative. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Sana naintindihan and